NSCDC cracks down on oil thieves, 4 suspects arrested. Cross River State House of Assembly reaffirms commitment to grassroots development. Attend intensive 2025 JAM UTME and SSC tutorial classes at Akohi Tutors, Alife, Osun State, Nigeria. Contact the management of Akohi Tutors, Alife on 08038644328. Thank you. In a significant blow to oil thieves and vandals, the Nigeria Security and Civil Defense Corps, NSCDC, has arrested 4 suspects for their alleged involvement in crude oil theft, vandalism, and economic sabotage in Abia State. The arrest, which was carried out by the Commandant General's Special Intelligence Squad, followed sustained intelligence gathering and a thorough investigation. Operatives were deployed to comb the entire area where the illegal local refining of petroleum products was ongoing, leading to the apprehension of 4 suspects at Agri-Waterside Camp, Umeri, Abuzarisa access of Okwa West local government area. Preliminary interviews conducted at the crime scene revealed that the suspects had been deeply involved in siphoning crude oil after vandalizing pipelines. The suspects, identified as Friday Akpan Ability, 26, Ifani Possible Ojak, 36, Ernest Odali Ona, 30, and Happy Namdi, 23, confessed to connecting hoses and galvanized pipes to their constructed reservoirs, refining ports, and storage tanks. The NSCDC also recovered several exhibits at the crime scene, including large quantities of stolen crude oil, concealed in cellophane bags, over 20,000 liters of automotive gas oil and DPK, metal and plastic buckets, shovels, galvanized pipes, clothing. Slippers, funnels. The suspects will be charged in court after a thorough investigation. This arrest is a significant milestone in the fight against oil theft and vandalism, and the NSCDC has demonstrated its commitment to protecting Nigeria's oil resources and preventing economic sabotage. Cross River State House of Assembly reaffirms commitment to grassroots development. Speaker of the Cross River State House of Assembly, Right Honorable Elvat Ayambem, has reaffirmed the 10th Assembly's commitment to collaborating with local government chairmen to drive grassroots development. This pledge was made during a meeting between the Assembly's Public Accounts Committee and local government chairmen, held at the Assembly Complex in Calabar. Ayambem emphasized the importance of human capital development, good governance, and accountability, urging the chairman to work harmoniously with their vice chairman and other stakeholders. He also stressed the need for proper distribution of appointments. As approved by the local government law, the Speaker reiterated Governor Basi Otu's commitment to improving the well-being of Cross Riverians, particularly those in rural areas. He solicited the chairman's support in actualizing the governor's plans, stating, "Our governor is doing a lot to improve the state. He needs the support of everyone." Hon Odiwona, chairman of the Public Accounts Committee, congratulated the chairman on their election victories and advised them to discharge their duties efficiently. He emphasized the importance of accountability and transparency, assuring that his committee would work closely with the chairman to achieve these goals. Other lawmakers, including Right Honorable Davis Etta and Hon Okonowuna, urged the chairman to promote grassroots development, ensure accountability, and improve internal generated revenue. Elijah. The Auditor General for Local Government, Dr. Oden Eni, stressed the importance of effective service delivery, proper accounting records, and compliance with audit laws. In response, the chairman of Yaka, Hon Yibola Inyam, thanked the lawmakers and the Auditor General for their guidance, promising to abide by the instructions and maintain a harmonious relationship with the State House of Assembly. Enhance your academic excellence. 2025 JAM UTME and SSC tutorial classes. Join Akohi Tutors. Ife, Osun State, Nigeria, for intensive 2025 JAM UTME and SSC tutorial classes. To register, contact the management on 08038644328.